Hey everyone, so in this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to convert moles to grams using simple formula, exercise, and practice problems. So firstly, just super quick, in chemistry, a mole is simply a counting unit that tells you how many particles you have. But in the lab, we have to measure like in mass, using mass in grams. So that's why it's really key to understand this conversion. So let's go over a few quick examples. Let's say you have 2 moles of H2O. How many grams would you have? So 2 moles of H2O. How many grams do you have? So firstly, we need the molar mass of H2O, which is in fact 18.02 grams per mole. And then as a key rule, whenever we want, like whatever we want, we need to keep on the top in the conversion factor. So we want grams. So we're going to put times 18.02 grams per mole, per 1 mole. And so 18.02 grams per mole is simply the molar mass of H2O. And then we want grams, so we have it on the top. And when we do it like this, the moles will cancel out. And so 2 times 18.02 is 36.04 grams. So 2 moles of H2O is 36.04 grams. Let's try another problem. Let's do 0.5 moles of CO2. How many grams does that have? Well, the molar mass of CO2 is 44.01 grams per mole. So once again, we want grams, so grams is going to be on the top. 44.01 grams per 1 mole. And so the moles will cancel. 0.5 times 44.01 is equal to 22.01 grams. So 0.5 moles of CO2 is 22.01 grams. Let's try one last problem together, and then I'll give you a few to try on your own. Let's say we have 3 moles of NaCl, and we want to find out how many grams it is. 3 moles of NaCl. Well, the molar mass of NaCl is 58.44 grams per mole. 58.44 grams. So grams is going to be on the top, and then we're going to put 1 mole on the bottom. The moles will cancel. 3 times 58.44 is equal to 175.32 grams. So 3 moles of NaCl is 175.32 grams. Now I'll give you 2 problems to try on your own. Pause the video first, be sure to try them on your own, and then come back and we'll solve them together. But convert 0.25 moles of CH4, and then try converting 4 moles of MgOH2. MgOH2. So be sure to try them on your own, but pause the video, and when you come back, you'll see that 0.25 moles of CH4 times the molar mass, which is 16.05 grams per mole. We're going to put 16.05 on the top and 1 mole on the bottom. The moles are going to cancel, and our final answer will be 4.01 grams. And for the last problem, 4 moles of MgOH2, be careful with when you're trying to find the molar mass on the periodic table. There's 2 oxygens, there's 2 hydrogens, and there's 1 magnesium. The molar mass is 58.33 grams per mole. 58.33 grams per mole. The moles will once again cancel, and we're going to be left with 233.32 grams. Now, a few quick tips. Always remember to use your units. That way you know what's canceling, and that way you can keep track visually of what you want and make sure it's on top. Round your molar masses to 2 decimal places And don't forget to double check your calculator and double check the periodic table for your molar masses. Thank you.